close would you say we are?
20 feet.
Mm-hmm.
That phones don't do justice, though.
Yeah.
Make it seem farther.
Like we could literally take like 15 steps and touch it. Hi. Look at those cute little antlers. Welcome to today's video. Today we're doing a very simple project. I'm just gonna be gluing with some hot glue some gems onto some hemp rope. And yes, these gems are probably fake, but they're still really pretty. So I've got some Lapis Lazuli, some rose quartz, and some amethyst. These are my bigger gems. I also have some peridot, but it's in extremely tiny little pieces. I do have some tiny little amethysts as well, so maybe I'll do something with those sometime soon. Maybe this week, possibly, if I can figure something out to do with those tiny little things. But for now, these are what I'm using. So I just glued a little loop with the hemp rope, and then I'm trimming it because it's all super fuzzy, and then I'm just gluing each rock on individually. And I probably should have scratched up the back sides of them, like carved into them a little bit so that the glue had something to actually grab onto, because these are very, very smooth. But I mean, I don't plan on like roughhousing and wearing them, so I think they'll be fine. I'll probably just hang them and use them as decoration for something. They're really pretty. So what are the powers of these gems? We covered a couple yesterday. Let's learn about Lapis Lazuli. A quick Google search says, because of its connection to cosmic heaven energies, Lapis Lazuli is also believed to provide protection and shield the wearer from negative influences. The water element color of the stone helps purify lower energies from one's body and align it with higher, healthier vibrations. It encourages self-awareness, allows self-expression, and reveals inner truth, providing qualities of honesty, compassion, and morality to the personality. It stimulates objectivity, clarity, and encourages creativity. Lapis Lazuli assists to comfort the speak one's truth and inspires confidence. Its deep celestial blue remains the symbol of royalty and honor, gods and power, spirit and vision. It is a universal symbol of wisdom and truth. In ancient times, Lapis Lazuli was most highly regarded because of its beautiful color and the valuable ultramarine dye derived from it. Along with other types of purple and dark blue stones, the Lapis Lazuli crystal meaning is associated with the third eye chakra, the energy center that processes knowledge, intuition, and wisdom. Lapis Lazuli can help you if you suffer from insomnia. For this, it can be worn as a pendant while you sleep or placed under a pillow. You can also anoint your Lapis Lazuli with a few drops of lavender oil before going to bed. Another way of using lapis for the insomnia is wearing it in the form of a ring. And according to astrologers, Lapis Lazuli can be worn in gold or silver, and it should be worn on the middle finger of your correct hand. So if you are right-handed, on your right hand, and if you are left-handed, on your left hand. Birthstones and anniversaries. In the United States, Lapis Lazuli is considered the alternative birthstone for the month of September, together with sapphire. Lapis Lazuli is considered to be the stone for the 7th and 9th wedding anniversaries. Apparently in 1912 Lapis Lazuli was one of my birthstones, but I was not alive then. Apparently now my birthstone is bloodstone or ruby. I'm cool with that. In the comments, tell me what your birthstone is. I've noticed things like this change frequently. I hope you enjoyed the video, I hope you have a wonderful day, and happy crafting!